Here in Birmingham, protesters took to the streets on Highland Avenue to call out ICE. They stood at 280 overpass with signs demanding accountability and the end of ICE.
We are not in favor of rounding up our neighbors that go to our churches, that work with us, that are doing nothing but living their lives and are being targeted for having brown and black skin.
Border Czar Tom Homan, who has arrived in Minneapolis, is holding a news conference at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. A group of people stood on the overpass on Highland Avenue over Red Mountain Expressway this afternoon, draping signs and banners over the side to protest ICE actions in Minnesota and around the country. One person at the demonstration says real change has to go further by aligning with organizations under a common cause and goal. Laura Nadell says American voters did not want what's happening right now in some cities and that the ICE raids need to stop.
This country is supposed to be a country of laws and our Constitution, and this is absolute lawlessness. If we truly believe that no person is above the law, then this must end.
Nadell says the group is not in favor of rounding up people who are targeted for the color of their skin. You can find full coverage of events involving ICE in Minneapolis and elsewhere on our WBRC News app. A major update.